And when you bite it, it's like dust, like you ate a handful of baby powder or something. Kind of a strange texture, no mango flavor, which for a mango treat is very unusual. What's up, guys? This is American in the Philippines, back with another Filipino snack taste test. Today we got snacks all from the island of Guimaras. Guimaras is between Iloilo and Bacolod. It's a small island, kind of provincial, lots of beautiful mango trees, lots of great beaches there, not a lot of internet access, so it was an interesting trip to go out there and basically just be with the wilderness. Not really wilderness, there's plenty of cities there and schools and things, but at least to be out in the country and see a different way of life. So we've got a bunch of mango flavored snacks. I went to a place called Trappist Monastery, which is a very famous pasalubong there. And we're gonna try 5 of them today. So let's get started. Let's go with mango Lubid. I got Lubid before when I went to, I think, Bacolod. That was the first time I had it. Lubid means like rope, something to that effect. They're like tiny shakoy, like little fried, crispy donuts. Let's give it a smell. It smells like delicious fried dough. I don't really get much mango from it. I can't even see, oh, it's L&J Food Products in Ravina, Sibunag, Guimaras. Let's try it. Very toasted flavor. Like these are kind of extra crunchy, not as sweet as I was thinking. Usually they have like a nice white glaze. These are orange, of course. Maybe that's from the mango concentrate they use. They're nice, very, very toasted, not very mango-y. I would say I like the other ones I had from Bang Bang Pasalubong Center in Bacolod, but these are nice. I wish they had a little more mango flavor on them in general, but I would give these a solid 7.0. They're good. I could see how to improve them with a little bit more mango flavor. I was kind of hoping for more mango essence, but they're good. Very crunchy. These would make great cereal, just like the other Lubid. And this whole bag was only 65 pesos. It's pretty good size, absolutely full, so great deal. Next, let's try mango Saraphina. I actually got several different varieties of Saraphina while I was there. That'll be in the next video, and I got some for pasalubong for different people, but we'll give it a shot. I don't actually know what Saraphina is. These are a little bit more mango scented. This is from the same manufacturer too, L&J. They look like little crispy balls coated in sugar. Okay. Very hard. It kind of tastes like Lubid if it was made into a ball. I wonder what the inside looks like. Let's see. I don't know. There's some sort of, it's just flour, milk, butter, eggs, shortening, and mango flavor. It's like a very hard cookie that you made into a ball and fried and then coated in some sugar. Again, I wish I had more mango in it. It's good. This one's better, I think, than the Lubid because it's not as toasted flavor. But still nice. I think I like this one a little more just because it's more sweet, just because it's got the sugar. We're gonna give this a 7.3. Better because it's sweeter. They are nice and crunchy, which is nice. For some reason it says they're good for 3 more months, which seems like a lot for how it's packaged, but hey, I'll take it. So again, mango Saraphina 7.3. I think the Saraphinas look good. I got some dragon fruit, calamansi. What else? Ube, I think. I got 5 or 6 flavors, but anyway, let's try the next. We got mango tart. I think I also got some cashews from the same brand. It's called Merly cashews and delicacy. These are like little pies. They're all individually wrapped inside, which is kind of nice. Oh yeah, it's like a tiny little pie, kind of shaped like a mango as well. It smells buttery, just like a pecan pie, kind of. There's absolutely zero filling. It's all crust. I guess if you really like flaky, buttery crust, it tastes really good. I'm kind of disappointed with how little mango is in these mango treats from a place that's famous for mangoes. I mean, you can see mangoes on trees just driving down the road, so I don't know why they're skimping on the mangoes. But not much mango flavor in these either. It's good. I mean, it's literally 95% pie crust. Like, it's this thick, but literally this much, like 1 millimeter is the filling. I'm not even gonna finish it. It's just crust. It's delicious flaky pie crust. Maybe if you put ice cream on it or something, it would taste better. I'm gonna give this a 5.6. Kind of disappointed in the lack of mango so far. This is the one I went for. Let's try this next. We have mango scotch. I have a friend that's from Iloilo, and they said mango scotch was their favorite. So we're gonna get into this, and hopefully this is a little bit better, a little more mango-y. This is by Nani's Delicacies, so a different brand entirely. I wonder if I can get into here. Okay, again, individually wrapped. I see a tiny bit of mango fruit on the outside. I'm used to butterscotch. I don't really know what mango scotch is, but it smells good. It smells like a little cake, very moist, very dense. Let's try it. What is up with no mango in these things? I mean, it's like a very, very small amount of mango flavor. I mean, it's more than the other things. It's very delicious because it's like a butterscotch treat. Flour, mango is the second ingredient. Maybe mango flavor just doesn't survive the cooking process. Maybe that's it. This was also made in Cebu na Guimaras. Tastes good. I mean, these are really nice, not very mango flavored. Again, maybe mangoes just cook out. I have no idea. But these are probably the best so far. I'd give this a solid 8.1. Really good, delicious. Kind of wish it was more mango, just like everything else I've tried, but hey, at least it tastes good. And there's enough I can share with people around here. Maybe give some to the guards at my condo, give some to friends, let them try. So we got one more treat on this video we're gonna try. These are the Veran, I think barquillos are normally what they called. They're individually wrapped like little crunchy crackers. Again, this is supposed to have mango inside. This is by Bo Boy's bakery. It's wrapped up like, looks like a little crayon. Yeah, it's just like a little cigarette. No scent, really. Yeah, just like a little sweet flour. Very crispy. Inside is like powdery, like pure sugar. Again, no mango. I mean, they taste good. Tiny bit of mango. There's like 50 of these things in here for 70 pesos, so they're like 1 peso each. It's a really good deal. But it tastes like powdered sugar mixed with maybe mango juice. Maybe that's how they get it in here. I don't see any ingredients listed, but that's fine. We'll give it one more. And when you bite it, it's like dust, like you ate a handful of baby powder or something. Kind of a strange texture, no mango flavor, which for a mango treat is very unusual. But overall, it's still sweet and crunchy, so it's an okay dessert. Overall, I enjoyed the island of Guimaras, but the treats from Guimaras are a little disappointing considering I had great mangoes there. I had a mango the size of a shoe. It was delicious, juicy. You could just eat the thing like an apple right off the tree. It was great. But this treat, I'm gonna give 6.2. Still good. There's lots that I can share and give away to other people, but in general, I am a little underwhelmed, we'll say. So the winner for today is the mango scotch. That's the one people told me to get, and that's the best one that I had, so that makes sense. I think this was an 8.3. So if you go to Guimaras, try the mango scotch. I saw they sold these things at many tourist spots. I went to like a windmill viewing area that had its own Pasalubong center and got a bunch of mango items there as well. So we'll try in the next video. Maybe we'll get some more delicious mango flavored items in that. So thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.